Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm going to do an unboxing here of the new TCL phone. This is the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Now, if you remember, I did get the TCL 10 Pro last year. So this is the guy here, so we'll have just a bit of a comparison once we unbox this. So let's see. In the box, we're going to get phone, travel charger, USB-C data cable, obviously, SIM pin, quick start guide, etc. So, kind of cool. Now, TCL also sent me some other accessories for me to play around with this. And we can talk about that in a second. One of them was the fact that it came with a wireless charger. So, that was one of the big hang-ups I had about the 10, was that it didn't have a charger or wireless charging on it. So, that for me is a usual bit of a holdback. Okay, so look at that. Looks about the same size. It's actually even a little bit bigger. That's cool. Do they say what size this guy really is anymore? Does it say? It doesn't say on there. Does it say on the back? Doesn't say on the back. I'll dig that up later. So let's see here. Look at that. So just a little bit taller between the two of them here. How much juice it may have. Come on. Look at that. All right, let that boot up. Let's go through the box. So we're going to get in here. There's obviously the SIM tray or SIM poker thingy there. A big quick startup guide. Here is our charger. Do they rate what I have to see this here? Doesn't look like it's a rapid charger, 5 or 2 volts, but charger, and then it's a USB-C to USB-A charger. So yeah, it's definitely not going to be a rapid charger, but at least it has it. Let's put that back in there, that back in there, and kind of give it an example here what they look like differently. Wow, look at the size of that. Like, that is pretty well no bezel. So little bezel. And it's got a little bit of wrap around the edge, just like the old Samsungs that had that. That is a pretty cool feature. Tom Gray, if you're still watching the site, look at that, how little bezel. You wanted a phone that's all bezel, or all phone, and there you go. Let's log in here. We can see how much. Yeah, it's about the same, right? It still has about the same kind of wraparound edge to it. Pretty cool looking phone. But the fact that it's got wireless charging in it as well, will be pretty neat. We have a neat new array of the camera sensors. So still got 4 sensors there, still got 4 sensors there. We got some extra little sensor light thingies there. But neat how it's up and down versus side to side. I'm not sure if that's going to do much in terms of changing things. Cool. Okay, well, I'm going to play around with it. I'll give you some first impressions in a couple days and let you guys know what I think. Thanks.